Welcome back, guys, to another video. Thanks for tuning in. The Smurf running and driving, she's right there. So I'm right now, she's a work truck. So right now I loaded all the trash from the shop. We're gonna go dump it, and meanwhile I'm waiting till I clock in, clean these out a little bit. They were dirty, a lot of rat poop everywhere and shit. So we vacuumed it out completely, cleaned up all the plastics, because the plastics are gonna get painted. That's what today's video is all about. We're gonna be painting our interior panels. We're gonna do black. We're going all black inside. Why? It doesn't look as dirty, you know, and it stays a lot cleaner. And then as well, it covers a lot. You know, we're gonna be doing a lot of mechanic work on this truck, you know, either transmissions, either motor wise, whatever. Then you got to get inside, you know, turn it on, and the khaki color is just going to leave a lot of marks, the grasa and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use. Here's that. I have not ordered any parts for this truck. I have not done anything but work on the transmission. So now that it's running right, it's running really good. Shout out to Peak Torque Performance for helping us out with, you know, flush thing. And you guys can see my transmission is blue, guys. I painted my transmission right there. Painted my transmission blue just because. Why not? You know. So I have this black vinyl and fabric coating. Here's the shop, guys. Oh yeah, guys, I already cleaned it up, you know, got it looking good. So the first one coat that I'm gonna throw on is gonna be very light. I shake the can. Yep. Never mind, guys. Alright, guys, so here we go. Here goes nothing. First coat, really light. We're gonna cover all the edges on the bottom. Okay. Cover all the edges, as you guys can see. That's all we're worrying about right now. All the edges. Okay. Now, because the edges are covered, it could go straight across. You want to get that textury leather look, you gotta shoot it from far away. You can see I'm not up close. It's really far away. And you can walk around it. I always go 3 coats on these just to do good coverage. You can do 2 if you want, but with 1, see. I remember this is gloss, but if you guys can go with a flat black. It looks all our original. If this doesn't, when it dries, the shine doesn't go down, then I got the wrong can, and I'm gonna have to redo it. But yeah, you guys probably won't even see that. But yeah, this one looks like it has Almirall, and it literally just looks like cheap plastic most of the time. So that's why I don't like this one. So if anything, I'll go buy the other one. I'll be back with you guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the panel with the other spray that I had. It was a gloss black. Nothing wrong with it. It's just, for me, it looks like a cheap plastic because it's too glossy. And this is the one you want to get, flat. I went and picked it up. That's how it looks. I don't like it because it's too shiny. So like you guys put Almirall the whole thing, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this on top. This is the back panel, so I'm not worried too much. But the rest of the panels are gonna be painted with this one. Alright, guys, let me go ahead and do it. The compressor's on. You might not be able to hear me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and time lapse. Alright, guys, I did the first coat. We're gonna let it dry and you guys will see the difference. I'm gonna start by painting other body panels with this one right here. All right guys, got the door panel. You guys can see a big ass change. Check it out, nice and clean. I got the other parts inside of the shop. The truck's taken apart. But yeah guys, we're gonna see what's up. Once we put it back together, I'll show you guys. If we didn't do the dash, we're not gonna have time. I'll do that at home. And then so I gotta take out, you know, cover up the stereo, the AC controls, little things here and there I gotta take apart. But yeah guys, we'll check it out. Alright guys, there it is, the Mamalona. I put it back together. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, we're doing the dash by this weekend, or it's not gonna be in this video, but we're gonna get it done. And yeah, we did all the trim around it. We just literally need the dash and the carpet. I want to pull out the carpet and clean it out good. It wasn't a ranch, found some rat poop in there and stuff like that, so I cleaned it out today. But I still want to take it out, hit it with a pressure washer, clean it up real good. There's no rips, it's not worn out or nothing like that, so I'm gonna be able to just paint over it, you know. Yeah, and I'll show you guys the process of that too, and the dash, how I mask it and all that. So yeah, thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell notification, you know, that way you guys get notified when I put up a new video. And yep, I'm gonna throw in some cinematics.